Hi, we're the Beefy Boys. We run a burger restaurant, a street food pop-up and a food truck, and we've also been top 10 finalists at the World Burger Championships 4 times. Came second once, didn't we? Didn't win. Now you can make our burgers in the comfort of your own home with our DIY boxes, now available nationwide. So they come with 6 buns, 6 burgers, all the cheese, all the sauces, handy instruction video on how to do it, and everything you need to make an amazing world-class burger at home. So to order your own DIY box, just follow the link below. And before you know it, you'll be banging out some world-class burgers too. Order now.
Is it on?
Yes, boss.
Well, can you see me, Ronald?
Yeah.
Excellent. Thanks for watching, folks. I'm Tommy, and when I'm not chasing the Beefy Boys in person, I'm following them all over YouTube. You can too. Just subscribe here. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. Oh, God damn it, Ronald!
Sorry, boss.